Hey friends, if you wish to stop Windows from changing audio, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to troubleshoot audio using the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Next one is to revert Windows updates. So this is in case the issue was caused after a recent Windows update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side. Okay, and then select update history. Now expand the list for uninstall updates. Click on uninstall for the latest update and select uninstall once again. The next solution is to update, rollback and reinstall the audio driver. Now I'll show you how this is done. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Depending upon the source of the input or output which is problematic, right click on it. Then select properties and go to the driver tab. First I updating the driver, okay. This is harmless. The next one is to roll back the driver if the option is available, but as you see most of the time it will be grayed out. If that doesn't help, then uninstall the device and then click on action and then on scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.